Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am excited to unbox, review, and demo for you this 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger for your iPhone, for your Apple Watch, and for your AirPods. Yep, it'll wirelessly charge all three of those. So let's open this guy up and get out of the box and take a look at it, all the cool features of it, and then we'll show it to you in action. Now right off the bat, one thing that's really cool, charger is included with this package. A lot of times you'll get things like this, but they do not include the charger, and you got to use your own. But in this case, they have included the charger you need for this in the box, so that is awesome. Of course, they're going to include the charger, then they're also going to include the charging cable, and it's a Type-C charging cable, and really good length, looks to be about 3 feet. I'm guessing, yeah, about 3 feet in length, 3 or 4, so good length of cable. And then here's the star of the show, and that is the foldable wireless charger. You've got your user manual to show you how to use it, but here it is. Let's take it out, and voila. You can see it folds really flat, so easy to take with you, very portable. But just folds right up like that. You've got your spot for your phone here, and look at this, folds right out. You've got your spot for your Apple Watch, and then you've got your spot for your AirPods. Now I will tell you, these surfaces are all nice. This is a nice sort of matte rubber finish, and then you've got a really good rubber foot or rubber cover down in the tray here, so that your iPhone will stay put and won't go anywhere, which is great. You've got your Apple Watch tray here, and you can see it actually folds a little bit up if you want to have it a little bit up, so that maybe you can see it if you're at night, if you're going to be sleeping and you want to be able to see it a little bit. You could have it up and have your time on there, which is great. Over here on the back, you've got the place for your AirPods. Now this will also charge any other earbuds that are Qi wireless charging compatible, not just the AirPods. And this is nice and rubberized as well. So that's got a nice rubber finish on it as well. So you can, when you put them on there, they're not going to slide around. They're going to stay put also. So really, really excellent. And then you've got this sort of LED light indicator all the way around here, and you'll see that in action in a minute. And what's great, of course, you've got your air vents on here to make sure this doesn't overheat. What's great is how this all folds up. You've got your Type-C port in the back there to charge it, and then on the bottom here you've got additional air vents to make sure that this stays nice and cool. And then you've got your rubber feet. They come with covers on those so that those don't get dirty and dusty until they get to you. But you pull those off, and you've got nice rubber feet on the bottom so that this will stay put and not slide around on you once you get it where you want it. So really looks really great. Let's put this guy in action and show you how it works and what it looks like when it's charging all those devices. So I just want to show how great this works with your Apple products. You've got that nice green light down there. As soon as I put my phone on there, you can see it changes to blue, and it's going to pulsate, because that pulsating blue is what lets you know that your device is actively charging. Now, of course, what's cool is if you don't want that, you can just tap that button back there, and it turns the light off. So you don't have to have the light on if you don't want it, if it's at night and you're going to bed. But otherwise, it's kind of a both cool ambient light as well as good indicator of the process, what's going on with the charging of your phone. Now I have some earbuds here. I'm going to place those on the little earbud charger, and you can see that light turns on because those are charging as well. And if you have the Apple Watch, then you just pull that little Apple Watch charger thing up there, and it is magnetic, so as soon as the phone you put your watch on it, it just immediately sticks to it and begins charging as well. So you can be charging all three of your devices. Again, if you don't want the light, you just tap the button, turn the light off. But cool ambient lighting. Really, really excellent product. And don't forget it, the phone charger and the earbud charger are standard Qi chargers, so it'll work for any phone, Samsung Galaxy or any other phone that supports Qi wireless charging and even fast wireless charging. And then the earbuds, any earbuds that support Qi charging as well will work. This is really a great product and a great overall buy because they include the Quick Charge 3.0 charger with the device. A lot of them don't do that. They just give you the device, but you got to go buy a charger separately. In this package, you get everything you need for fast charging and for all your devices. And nice to have this nice little small setup to charge all your devices at one time. Of course, you can just charge one if you only need it for one. And the fact that it folds up as well, so you can easily take this with you if you're traveling and use it to charge all your devices without taking a bunch of different chargers. So really, really excellent product. Definitely one I would recommend. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please hit the like button. I will have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon. You can jump over to Amazon, read what other people said about it, pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to favorite this playlist, click that like button, subscribe to my channel, keep up with all my videos. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.